How to change your Netflix password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can change your password on Netflix. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So there are two types of situations: if you remember the current password or you want to change it, or if you want to reset your password because if you don't remember it. Well, both of these processes is very simple. Just go ahead and then first launch the Netflix application over here. Once I launch the Netflix application, I will log into one of my accounts over here. As I log into my account, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, go to this section that says account. Once you go to account over here, you will see all these sorts of various options, and if you look over here, it says change password, so just tap on it. Now, beginning with the first scenario, if you do remember your old password, just enter your old password, which is your current password, and enter the new password you want to use, and again enter the new password that you want to use. And you can also require all devices to sign in again with the new password if you want to, and just tap on the save button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Or else what you could do is, let's say that you don't remember your current password. Well, in that case also, you can just tap on the forgot password button, which is at the very top next to current password. It will send a verification link to your email address or your text messages if you've added phone number and email. And once you send the email me button, you have to open up your mail or your phone and tap on the link in order to go ahead with the instructions to reset your password. It will ask you to and take you to a page where you can change with a new password, and this is simply how you can go ahead and then change your Netflix account's password. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.